The following segment is sponsored by Wasatch Medical Clinic. Now, as the weather gets cooler, don't let your love life cool off with it. Andrew from Wasatch Medical Clinic is here to talk about a new treatment for ED that's becoming the standard go-to procedure. Welcome back, Andrew. It's good to see you, man.
Good to be here. Thanks for having me.
Always a pleasure. So this new treatment for ED, tell me about it. What is it?
Well, for 30 years, a man with ED, it's been pills. That's 30 years of headaches, unfortunately, 30 years of side effects. This acoustic wave therapy that we use is a technology.
Okay.
Basically, it delivers pressure waves through the skin into the damaged blood vessels. It causes the blood vessels to open up and expand, as you can see there on your screen.
There it is.
That's known as neovascularization. Basically, more blood flow in the bedroom where you want it, when you want it, without the use of pills.
Now, I've heard that you mentioned pills. There's also some surgeries I've heard about. This is totally different.
Yes, this is totally different. The surgery, it's horrible. The injections are horrible. Pills are not great. This is not invasive. It's placed on top of the skin. Not really any discomfort. You'll feel it, but no pain, and you'll walk out after 15 minutes.
And how effective is it? That's the big question.
60 clinical studies now, so it's pretty cool. I believe the scientific community has spoken. They say 75 to maybe 90% effective, very high success rate, and then we'll have you analyzed by a doctor before you start to make sure.
And it's not painful at all?
Not painful, a little flicking sensation, nothing you can't handle. We call it the lunch break treatment. You'll walk out feeling totally normal.
Gotcha. And it's the standard. This is becoming the standard ED treatment.
I believe so, yes. One study said this is the new standard of care for erectile dysfunction because it's chemical free. That's the big deal here. And one of the leading causes of ED is damaged blood vessels, so it makes sense, repair the actual problem.
That's what this procedure does.
Exactly.
And for men, is there a certain age that ED starts typically, or can it happen anytime?
Well, we definitely treat men that are older, of course, but we also treat men in their 20s and 30s. So I would say if you're struggling, you're more normal than you think. 20 years old to 90 years old, mild, severe, unhealthy, and healthy. We treat.
You hear about ED quite a bit now, whether it's on radio, television, ads, whatnot. So why is Wasatch Medical the best place to go?
Well, it's all about the technology and the clinical data, I would say. We use the most advanced version. We have 2 forms now. So we kind of helped pioneer this technology. We're helping people all over the country.
One of the things that you guys do as well is you're very discreet about this procedure. Is that right? How does that work?
Well, it's a discreet and confidential environment. You'll meet with a male medical doctor, which sometimes...
All male staff?
Yes. It puts the patients at ease. Sometimes their spouses at ease. It's anonymous. And if you want to come in, you meet the doctor, you don't want to go forward with treatments, of course, that's an option also.
Someone comes into your clinic. How long does this treatment take?
Very quick. You'll spend more time in the car than you will getting the actual treatment. It's really easy. Yeah. Men think this is going to be horrible, but it's quick, and they always say I was a lot more comfortable than I thought.
Oh, that's good. And how many treatments does one have to take before maybe this problem gets better?
Well, the Cambridge study said 6. We've seen 3 to maybe 7 or 8 as the typical range, and typically it's a couple of weeks.
That's cool. And for our viewers today, you always bring a special offer. What do you have for us today?
We do. We really believe in delivering the value. If you're ready to put a stop to the ED, or maybe your man has ED, you can call for him. Exam, assessment, and ultrasound is free. And the gift, I call it rapid results in the bedroom. You'll love it. All no charge.
Very cool. So where do we go for this information? Where can we get that information we look for?
The best way is to call the number on your screen or visit wasatchmedicalclinic.com.
wasatchmedicalclinic.com. Andrew, it's so good to see you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Anytime. Come on the show. We appreciate you.